Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Honorable Men's and Women's of Historical War TV YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum. The most welcome on Historical War TV YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel for more informative Islamic videos. The name of Allah, Al-Azeez, the Almighty. Meaning Al-Azeez, the Almighty, who overpowers everything and who cannot be overcome. It also refers to the one who is extremely precious. None is like him. He is unbeatable and nothing can prevent him from fulfilling what he wills. How to live by this name? Allah is the only one who can make everything happen. So we should work to seek His precious pleasures and confident He will help us on this path. Seek honor and power, izzah, from Allah Al-Azeez only. Your izzah is Islam. He is Allah, other than whom there is no deity. The surgeon, the pure, the perfection, the best over of faith, the overseer, the exalted in might. The name of Allah, Al-Azeez, the mighty, meaning the uncurable, Ya Azeezo. He who repeats names 41 times after each Fajr prayer will be independent of need from others and gain honor after disgrace. Al-Azeez, बड़े इक़्तिदार वाला, जिसका इक़्तिदार सब पर हावी है। मुअज़्ज़िज़ नाज़रीन ग्रामी, या अज़ीज़ो, अगर हर फजर की नमाज के बाद 40 दिन तक 40 बार इस इस्म का विर्द किया जाए तो इसकी बरकत से विर्द करने वाला ना सिर्फ खुद कफील हो जाएगा बल्कि वो दूसरों की इमदाद से बेनियाज हो जाएगा।